So what is up guys, welcome to ACT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest updates and latest news regarding the iPhone SE2. We all are excited for this 2020 iPhone which is supposedly launching in Q1. So in today's video I'm going to be I'm going to be giving you few insights from Apple's ecosystem. So if you want to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, today's video is going to be very interesting, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, iPhone SE2, we all know that it is going to be a refresh of iPhone 8 design. It's just in simple words you can say that the iPhone SE2 is nothing but iPhone 8s, and just basically you're getting the A13 SoC with 3 gigs of RAM, and we know about like all of its design, but we definitely don't know about its launch date. Well guys, recently couple of hours ago, analyst Minchiko, who is a trusted person in leaks department, has confirmed that Apple is supposedly going to start its mass production in the month of January. Okay, in January, Apple is going to be starting the iPhone SE2's production, and guys, it is expected that in March of 2020, iPhone SE2 is going to be getting launched, and that's of course in WWDC, in Worldwide Developers Conference, which occurs in the last week of March or in the first week of April. That time iPhone SE2 is supposedly going to be launched. Like Minchiko is a trusted source. Like he's the only biggest source or the most reputed in this game. And just guys, the iPhone SE2, we all know its pricing is going to be starting at $399. It is going to be a refresh of iPhone 8 and etc. But the biggest question was, when is this iPhone SE2 going to be launched? And not just that, if the mass production of the iPhone SE2 is starting in January of 2020, then definitely we are going to be seeing lots of leaks. Okay, like when any product starts its production, there are few problems which the company faces. Like there are parts, just broken parts which just the company throws away, and those thrown away parts, even there are few people who collect those and render different prototypes of the iPhone SE2. And as we all knew, like the iPhone 11's lavender color, the green color variant, because the glass pieces of the iPhone 11 were found in the garbage, so according to few sources, and that's how we came to know. So guys, if Apple is going to be, it's now pretty much confirmed that iPhone SE2 is happening next year, and that also in March or April. So guys, in today's video I wanted to cover this portion regarding the iPhone SE2, but I also want to cover that Apple's iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max battery cases. Okay, Apple sells the battery cases of the iPhones, and guys, this year the battery life is more than sufficient, but still for the Max users this is a great option to go for. Its price is going to be somewhere around $139, I suppose, for the iPhone 11 version and so on. So guys, it's great to know this has been found in the latest iOS beta update, that Apple is going to be launching it very soon. And also we have with us a lot of things remaining, like the 16-inch MacBook and like the next generation of Apple TV. So we all are excited that when Apple is going to be putting this or giving this lineup to us. But guys, as of for now, we have with us AirPods Pro, finally launched by Apple. If you want to check an in-depth video on iPhone SE2, I already have 2 videos regarding that on my channel. So if you have liked today's video, in today's video I wanted to give you the latest updates from iPhone SE2, regarding iPhone SE2 and Apple's new battery case. So if you have liked today's video, and if you like to be updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and always a like is appreciated. So if you have liked today's video, and also leave a comment at what are your thoughts and which video you want to see next, or just anything which you want to discuss. So if you have liked today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,